Come on! Fuck me, man. You gotta be kidding me. What the fuck? 10 fucking days of this? Come on. Imagine trying to fucking sleep with this. Fucking shit going on everywhere. God. Look at this. Yeah, we got water building up again. Fuck me. Fuck yeah. Shit. Water's just pouring right here. It's just flooding like a fucker. Alright, what do? I gotta calm down, get my senses about me. Son of a bitch. Damn it, what am I gonna do about that? I don't know. Right here, it's just straight water, right above my tent. I can't get up and look and have to contend with that every 20 minutes. Shit. I don't know what I can do about it though. Yeah, my shit's just falling apart. It's just too much weather. Fucking kicking my ass. The water's pooling right up on top of my tent. And I can't have that because it'll leach right into my tent. And everything that I care about is up in that little junk drawer thing up there. So, let's think. How can I get that off? Damn. I've somehow got to get that pole out further, and there's no more solid ground to pound the pole into. I mean, that pole down there actually, or that stake down there looks like it's even coming out. Yeah, it is coming out actually, I know for sure. Yeah, pretty much sucks. I'm standing up here on my log. It's getting a little ridiculous. I'm probably going to be staying on this log all fucking night with the water lapping at my feet. Son of a bitch. Yeah, it's when those big rains come like that, that water pools up on top of the tent, and it's still pulled up right now. But what's happening is this stake over here is pulling out of the ground because the ground's not solid anymore because it's saturated. There's really nowhere else to go with that rope. I mean, at this point, it needs to go across the river and tie off over there because I'm running out of bank to pound it into. Oh, shit. You gotta be kidding me. It's getting fucking old. Yeah, it's just getting way fucking old. It's cold. I'm still wearing yesterday's clothes. The river's in my front fucking yard. It's just not that neat anymore. And I don't mean the whole trip or the whole journey, just the fucking weather. If the sun would come out right now, I'd be in heaven. I'd stop eating all day, I'd stop smoking pot all day, I'd stop smoking cigarettes, I'd be out building shit and sitting out here by the fire reading and conserving cigarettes like I did yesterday. It was awesome. But I wake up today in a fucking Sissy Spacek movie. I don't remember what the name of that movie was, but that movie where Kevin Costner came and saved her ass, sandbagging her river. But damn, Yeah, that pole is moving, and it's coming out of the ground, and it's not that neat. Because right over here, I show your ass. Yeah, fuck yeah. Oh, look at that. That's where the pole is. That's where it was. Yeah, it's not even holding anymore. I'm gonna have to try to find, oh yeah, I can see it trying to pull out of the ground. If that pulls out of the ground, I'm fucked. Okay, so I better spring into action here. I need a poundy steak. I need a steak I can pound into the ground. Fuck. It's cold. I need a big steak. I need one like 3 feet long. Okay. Alright, well I'm going to go looking for a steak. I guess I can take you with me, kinda. Fucking start cutting branches off trees. Oh shit. Yeah, I guess that one right there looks pretty good. But it's over there where it's wet and cold. So I'm going to turn this off and, well, maybe we'll just put it right here. Fucking stupid. Fucking stupid. Everything's stupid right now. It's cold, wet. Alright, I'm gonna go over in that direction. I don't think you can even see me anymore. I'm gonna go over in that direction and try to find me a stick. After I go in the house and get me my sweatshirt. Back and get me my hatchet. Oh, I guess it's gonna rain some more. That'd be nice. All I got's my sandals on. Come on, rain. Fucking making me be out here. I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. Might as well turn my laptop off. Not the kind of movie I was planning on making. But it is what it is. Yeah, so like I said, I decided to go over here and make some cocoa. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple minutes. So you fucking enjoy the view. Sorry, I got a little bit of an attitude right now. Don't fall over, okay? I appreciate it. stupid's house. I was kind of wondering earlier what was sticking in the tent, and I just found the nastiest rotten sock underneath the bed. That was pretty cool. Oh, fuck. Life is beautiful, bro. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a stick, get cold, get wet. I think I'm gonna take this tree down right over here, because right now it's all about me, so. Stupid ass camera. So we're gonna go over here and maybe take this tree down. Jeez, this is ridiculous. Okay, so this is the bad boy we fashioned, and we're gonna kind of make it straightish, figure out a good end, pound that fucker 3 or 4 feet in the ground. So there's really nowhere to put this that's not gonna get wet. I guess over here, kind of, huh? Alright, so Okay. I don't know if you saw that, but we got her pretty much all straightened out. I wanted to cut a good end on it, so I got a good end to pound. That fucker's going all the way in the ground, hopefully, so we'll be right back. Because this ain't working out right now. Ain't too fucking neat. We hit some rocks. Alright, I'm gonna come out of the fucking shit for a second. We got it about that far in. I think we hit a rock. So we're just gonna kick up our water a notch here. Can't tell it's getting fucking old. Damn it. I came up here June, July, August for sunshine. Brought solar power. I was gonna do a water wheel, man. I'd be fucking making electricity right now. Oh. Damn it. Boil, water, boil. Give me something to believe in. Weak in the knees. I'm not eating that well out here. Lots of junk. Lots of protein. That's it. Oh, lots of sugar. Damn. I was in there tuning my guitar, getting ready to take some Esteban lessons. I gotta take a piss. I'm gonna piss in the river. How fucking funny is that? I take 2 steps and I'm in the river. Oh. I think we got to get that stake in the ground another foot. I'm gonna have to bust out the big hatchet or the big axe. What's up, big axe? Our hot chocolate's ready, but the job's not done. So we're just gonna crank it down. Try to pound this thing in a little further. Okay. Now, let's untie this bitch and move it to that way. Sad part is I just did this about 2 hours ago. And I swore it was going to do it. Alright, so you're fucking tight as hell. Alright, I think we fixed it. Let's have some hot cocoa. I got that big old pole. I'll show you. That big old pole that we cut that was probably 3.5 feet or so. It is now right there, and there's probably a foot sticking out of the ground, 1.5 feet. So we got her probably 2 feet into the ground. So the water does not seem to be pooling anymore. And let's go inside and double check. No. We're completely good to go. So, whoops. Oh, I thought that was water, but it was the weight of my jacket up there drying. So, we're gonna cocoa this up here and go back inside and jam on the guitar. So, 7 o'clock. We'll come out in another couple hours and check on the tarps. See how that bad boy is doing. It's at about the same angle as the other one, so we'll check in a little bit. Love you, miss you. Fucking bye.